Hello everyone. My name is Paul. Today I will talk about my favorite animal and pig. I like pig. It have four legs and two ears. It have pink color. Pink like to ear. Eat pink like to eat vegetable. Goodbye.